use 1 cup of lentils. Clean it 2 or 3 times. Use half of zucchini and cut it. Cut spring onion, and ginger into small pieces. Boil lentils with 3 cups of water until it's soft. And put the garlic in and half of a chicken cube. Put 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, garam masala, coriander, and turmeric. Put half tablespoon of salt and taste it. Put zucchini in and leave it cook around 15 minutes. Put 4 tablespoons oil and deep fry onion, ginger, and spring onion. When it's done, put it in the lentil soup. Serve lentil soup with rice and fresh salad. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a thumb up, share, and subscribe my channel. See you.